Is that fucking Jared from Subway? Actually, it's Patrick Wilson and Brian Bell from Wheezer. But why is half of Wheezer in this video? Fuck it. Fred and Wheezer go to the fucking moon.
Oh, it's just Wheezer. Wheezer? Oh my god, it's Wheezer!
I think the only reason Wheezer agreed to do this was to promote the 2010 Wheezer album, Hurley.
The new Wheezer LP, Hurley. Of course, this thing doesn't come out until next week, but Wheezer is streaming it online in full now on their MySpace, link down there.